Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone on PC. So firstly what you need to do is open any of the web browser and type down tiktok.com. So once inside this TikTok, what you can do is firstly you need to refresh and try again later. Simply click over here to reload this page. TikTok may temporarily block follows for a few hours or up to 24 to 48 hours. What you can do is you can also try a different browser. You can use Firefox, Edge or another browser. Enable it. And you need to check your internet connection. You can simply go to your Wi-Fi. You can simply turn on and turn off your Wi-Fi again and type down tiktok.com and you need to open it again. Then what you need to do is you need to disable browser extension. You need to disable any ad blockers, privacy extension, or script blockers or VPNs if you have. And that is it. That is how you can fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.